In previous video, I explained you nature of parabola. In this, I am explaining relation zeros and the relation between 0 and the coefficient. So, f of x equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. So, f of x equals to 0. So, 0 equals to x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. So, x minus 4 plus 2 x minus 4. So, x minus 4 and x plus 2. So, x minus 4 equals to 0, that is 1 0 is 4, and x minus 2 equals to 0. So, next 0 is minus 2. Okay. Now, sum of the we have to find relation. So, sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is 4 plus minus 2, that is 2. Now, sum of the zeros in early video I told you let zeros be alpha and beta. So, sum of zeros is minus b upon a. Coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Minus b upon a. So, minus 2, value of b is here minus 2 and 1, that is 2. Now, product of the zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros is 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. So, product of zeros is c upon a. C divided by coefficient of x. So, product is minus 8 and x square. Sorry, I told you x, that is x square. So, value of a is 1. So, minus 8. Okay. So, it is relation between zeros and their coefficient. Now, next example is f of x equals to 6x square minus 7x minus 3. F of x equals to 0. So, 0 equals to 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. So, 3x is common. 2x minus 3 plus 1. 2x minus 3. So, 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 1. Okay. So, 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So, value of x will become 3 upon 2 and 3x plus 1 equals to 0. So, value of x will be minus 1 upon 3. Okay. Thus, we got two zeros, 3 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 3. So, next is sum of zeros. Sum of zeros 3 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 3. It will be 7 upon 6. Okay. Now, sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. So, minus b upon a means minus 7 and a is 6. So, sum of the zeros is also 7 upon 6. Now, next is product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros means 3 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 3. Okay, 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. means it become minus 1 upon 2. Product of zeros is C upon A. Okay, C upon coefficient of x square. So value of C is minus 3 and value of A is 6. So 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, again it is 1 upon 2. Okay, so it was relation between 0 and coefficient. Now more examples. Q of x equals to root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3. So Q of x equals to 0. Okay. So 0 equals to root 3x square plus 7x plus 3x plus 7 root 3. So x equals to root 3x plus 7 plus root 3 x plus 7. So root 3x plus 7 and x plus root 3. Okay. So root 3x plus 7 equals to 0. So value of x will be minus 7 upon root 3. 10 is minus 7 upon 3. And the next is x plus root 3. So here equals to 0. So here another 0 is minus root 3. Okay. Now sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros is minus 7 upon root 3 plus root 3. So it will become minus 10 upon root 3. Okay. Now sum of the zeros is minus b upon a. Minus b upon a. So minus 10 upon root 3. Now next is product of zeros. Product of zeros minus 7 upon root 3 into minus root 3. So cancel. So it will 7. Okay. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros C upon A. C upon A means 7 root 3 upon root 3. Cancel 7. Okay. Now next is f of v equals to v square plus 4 root 3v minus 15. So f of v equals to 0. Okay. So it will be 0 equals to v square plus 5 root 3v minus root 3v minus 15. v plus 5 root 3 minus root 3 v plus 5 root 3. So v minus root 3 v plus 5 root 3. Okay. So v minus root 3 equals to 0. So one of the 0 is root 3. Okay. Now v plus 5 root 3 equals to 0. So one of the 0 will be minus 5 root 3. Okay. Now sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros, root 3 plus minus 5 root 3. So it will be minus 4 root 3. Okay. Now sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. So minus b minus 4 root 3 upon 1. So minus 4 root 3. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros is root 3 into minus 5 root 3. So it is minus 15. Okay, it is minus 15. And the product of the zeros is C upon A. C upon A means minus 15 divided by 1, that is minus 15. So it is 0, relation between 0 and their coefficient.